Want to create professional flowcharts in seconds? Let AI do the smart work for you. Just type your prompt, for example, generate a flowchart for the election system in Nepal. Within seconds, AI gives structured steps like voters casting 2 votes, first past the post seats, proportional representation seats, and the final government formation. Next step is to convert Mermaid. Now, ask AI to convert those steps into Mermaid code. Mermaid is a simple text-based language that turns code into diagrams automatically. Now open draw.io. Go to Insert and select Mermaid. Paste the Mermaid code, click Insert, and instantly your Nepal election system flowchart appears. You can edit, style, and customize the diagram as needed. AI plus Mermaid makes complex systems simple. Try it today and follow more AI productivity hacks. Like, share, and subscribe. Please,